I'm in Tucson, Arizona, a city that I've been wanting to visit for quite a long time. And if you didn't know, Tucson is actually a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, and there are only 2 cities in the United States that hold that status. The first one is Tucson, and the second one is San Antonio. Needless to say, I am so excited to eat in this city. So Tucson is known for their incredible Mexican food, Sonoran style, and Mexican happens to be my all-time favorite, so I am so excited. They're actually known for having some of the best Mexican food outside of Mexico. I'm still learning even more about Mexican food, and I feel like there is just so much to discover, and I just cannot wait to eat my face off here in Tucson. I actually just landed not that long ago. I've only been in Tucson for about an hour, and I'm already hungry and ready to hit the road. Today I'm gonna be doing a little Mexican street food tour, and I'm taking you with me. I'm gonna focus primarily on tacos, and I'm gonna hit up about 3 to 4 places, and you guys are coming with me, so let's go. Okay, so this first place I've heard so much about. It's a little on the outskirts of the city, but not too far away, and it's called Los Mezquites. And it was absolutely on my must-try, can't leave Tucson without trying list. They're known for their carne asada, and they cook everything roadside on mesquite, so it has that nice smoky flavor. But take a look at this, guys. But check this out, guys. They are grilling a roadside. I got 2 carne asada tacos, so we're gonna see how it is. This looks so good. I just put some hand sanitizer on. Wow, that's so good. Oh my gosh. That is so good. You guys. Wow. That is so good. Especially with the onions and the cilantro. And the salsa. Oh my god. It's so good. They make everything in-house, so I asked her though. She asked me if I wanted corn or flour. I said, what do you suggest? She said flour. So I went ahead and went with flour. This is probably one of the best flour tortillas I've ever had. It is delicious. It's nice and flaky and soft. And then it's just that crispy carne asada. It has a nice crisp and crunch to it, but it's also soft and has a really good texture. And with the raw onions and the cilantro and some salsa, it is banging. It's perfect. It's so good. I can't get over how delicious this is. So good. On to the next place. Right, so I've just arrived at the next spot, and this spot I heard used to be a weekend stand, and now they have their own brick and mortar, which makes everyone who lives in Tucson very happy. So here I am at the back of the car. Thought it would probably be best to just eat it here instead of in there. There were quite a few people around and a little noisy. I got my order. I've got one costilla taco, and costillas are ribs. So I got a rib taco on a flour tortilla, and then I have on a corn tortilla the quesabirria taco. So birria tacos are, okay, so if you are Mexican or you know a lot about Mexican food and I'm wrong or off, please comment below and let me know. School me, okay? I think birria is like it's a stew, a Mexican stew, but birria is a meat dish, a meat stew, I believe, from, it might be from Jalisco in Mexico, but I'm not positive about that one. But I could be wrong, and I might be, but I think it's normally made with goat or beef. And so it's a stew essentially. And so with the tacos, sort of like, I want to say it's a taco, but it's sort of like a mix between a quesadilla and a taco. So it has the birria meat, and then it has the cheese, and then there's a little bit of that sauce on the side that you can dip it in. All right, so I decided it was probably best to just eat right here on the side of the road in my car. See how spicy this is. Oof, oh yeah. Oh, that is spicy. I think that might be too spicy for me. And I'm Jamaican, y'all, so I can handle some spice, but that is hot. All right, I think I'm gonna try. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That was really good. Wow. Mmm. That's so good. Look at that. Oh man. Guys, that was really good, but it's perfect. That meat is so tender. So good. Alright, let's try the costilla now. This one is a flour tortilla. That's not bad. Look at that. You know what? I feel like something is missing. Maybe I need to put more lime juice, or let me see. Ooh, good. Though I will say, I think still so far, I was blown away by the tacos at El Mezquite. So good. That was really good. I'm really glad I tried that. All right, on to the next spot. Well guys, I gotta tell ya, I am getting so full. I knew going into it that I was like, huh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to accomplish this. I'm so full, but I was really excited about the next spot. That is Los Tacos Apson. And I've heard that this place is one of the most iconic, legendary, famous taco spots in Tucson. Those of you that live in Tucson can probably attest. I think it is like a Tucson staple. And I believe that their menu is centered around carne asada, and they're known for their costillas, their ribs. And I also read that they got their name from the owner's father-in-law used to be in a band called Apson. And that band was like a Spanish cover band in the 60s. So they did Spanish covers of the Beatles and other famous hits from the 60s. That also explains their logo because it's got a record in the middle. I love the story behind it. I got a costilla taco and a carne asada. Was really good. Their costilla, it was perfection. The rib was nice and crispy, seasoned to perfection. It went so well with that soft flour tortilla. Just delicious. I am so full. I have one more place to try, which I also hear is very well loved by the locals here in Tucson, and it's actually located right down the street from Los Tacos Apson, and that is Taqueria Porfis. This place is known for their tacos al vapor, which are steamed tacos, and I think what happens is I think it's a corn tortilla, and the tortilla is brushed with a salsa roja, which just adds to the flavor of the taco, and I believe on the inside is beef and a little bit of potato. I know they're gonna look at me like, girl, because I'm only gonna order one taco, but I definitely want to complete my taco tour and try one more place. All right, I got my taco, and this place does have a street cart, like a food cart, but I couldn't find it. Even with addresses that I had, I couldn't find exactly where it was, so that's why I ended up going here to try it. So here it is. There's the meat, and then you can see the little potato pieces like that. It's got some mayonnaise on it, which I'm here for. I love mayonnaise. This sauce is very hot, so I'm just gonna put a tiny bit. I'm sorry. I thought I was filming the whole time and I wasn't. Guys, this is like, wow. Oh, this is crazy good. Oh, I can't even. There are no words to express how good that was. That mayonnaise, I feel like, just took it to a whole nother level. Okay, that's it. If I had to, you know, it's kind of hard for me to rate them. I was gonna say if I have to rate them, but It's kind of hard for me to rate them because I feel like they were all different types of tacos, right? Like, that's really hard. I will say El Taco Rustico. Yeah, the tacos were good though, don't get me wrong. The tacos were good, but I think the other ones just surpassed it. Thank you so much for joining me on my little taco tour. What a good first day in Tucson. And if you want to see where I ate when I was out in LA, check out this video. I can't get over how good it is. So good. That's crazy good. Oops, that's not my bottle. I can go pick it up though. That was really good.